Thank you for stopping in at Simply Street Bikes. I got a 2009 CBR600RR today to show you. It's stock. It's got all the things that you need to get going here to start riding. Stock mirrors, stock windshield. The bike does come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty on it. It's ready for you to ride. I'm going to start up the bike for you just so you can hear it. It's ready to go. And here we are. Show you the steering column and actually show you the actual miles. As you can see, bring it out here. Excuse the glare. 9,025 miles. Start up the bike for you. There you go. Let it warm up a little bit. Gorgeous bike. Pick it up today at Simply Street Bikes. It's ready for you to ride out. Like I said, it's got a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile coverage on it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website to find out more about this bike at www.simplystreetbikes.com. Again, that website is www.simplystreetbikes.com. If you're local here in Minnesota, we're in Eden Prairie off of Washington Avenue at 7500 Washington Avenue South in Eden Prairie. Have a good day. Thank you for stopping in at Simply Street Bikes. Hopefully you can come pick this bike up today.